Hello dear student. So this is your exercise 6.3 and in the previous lecture I had already solved the part 1 of question number first. Right now I am going to solve part second of question number first. So the basic diagram is here, that there are 3 points which are connected with each other in this manner, that a right angle is drawn at point P and there is another interior angle which is 30 degree, and you have to find the value of unknown x here. So this is your unknown value, unknown angle, unknown interior angle x. Now here what you have to do, you have to find the value of x. And in the previous lecture, I had already told you that how can we find the value of unknown x. There is a basic property behind it. And what is the property? When we add the 3 interior angles of a triangle, then the addition will come out 180 degree. So we apply that property here. So we have, so right now finding the solution. This triangle PQR is right angle, is a right angle triangle, So angle RPQ will be equal to 90 degrees. So we have 2 interior angles here. One is 90 degree and another one is 30 degree. Now we apply that property. Now apply the property of triangle. Now apply the property of a triangle. And what is the property of a triangle? The interior angle, the addition of all the 3 interior angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. So we have what? Angle RPQ plus angle PRQ and angle RQP equals to 180 degree. Now all the values are given here. The value of RPQ is 90 degree. The value of RPQ is what? 90 degree. The value of PQR is what? 30 degree. And there is a value of interior angle is x. Now we have to find here the value of x. So put all the values in this equation number 1. The angle RPQ is 90 degree plus angle PRQ is x. The angle RQP is 30 degree. You all know that 90 and 30 degree are the interior angles, which is equal to 180 degree. We know when we add 90 degree and 30 degree, the value will come out 120 degree. 90 degree plus 30 degree, the value come out 120 degree, and plus x will equal to 180 degree. Now it's 120 degree plus x will equal to 180 degree. Now what we have to do here? Just transfer this 120 in the right hand side. So we will get x will equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Because the sign will change when we transfer this 120 degree in the right hand side, this positive sign interchange into negative sign. So value of x 180 minus 120 degree, it's around 60 degree. So this x will come out 60 degree. So how can we check that the 60 value is correct or not? Just add these all angles. 90 degree plus 30 degree plus 60 degree. The result will be It's 120 and then 60, 180 degree. So this is the property. When we add all the interior angle of a triangle, the addition will come out 180 degree. So this angle x will be equal to 60 degree is our answer. So in this manner you can find another part like part third, part fourth. You can find all the solutions in this manner. Thank you.